Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro 250 OHM studio headphones. These are incredible headphones, incredible. They're very high quality over-the-ear headphones. They're professional grade and I use them when I'm editing, and they just are very distraction free for me. You can plug this into like many different devices, this outlet here, and it's just standard for most headphones right here. But what I love about these is how heavy and how good at canceling out sound they are. And just the quality of sound that they emit is amazing. They're great for DJs, or if you work at a studio and you do recordings or mixing, this is great for you as well. They emit a very high resolution sound. They're very comfortable and soft velour ear pads here. And the pads are actually replaceable, but I've never had to change them. I actually got these in early September, and it was gifted to me by a friend who's also a filmmaker and who loved them himself and was like, you need to have these, so here, have them. And ever since, I have been using them and I love them so much. They're very durable, just very high quality. They're made in Germany. I feel like if you drop these a few times, they could withstand the drop, the force, but I mean, obviously don't do that. Don't try to drop them. The cable is on one side, which makes things more convenient. And the cable actually is 3 meters and it's coiled right here, so it's a 3-meter black coiled cable. And I do take this with me. I take my video work very seriously. I love these headphones and I feel like they were the answer to all my prayers when it comes to sound, because the computer that I was using didn't have great output in its own, so having an attachment like this was really crucial, and it really opened my eyes to how important my volume was. So as you can see, the top here is flexible. It allows you to place this over your head and spread it apart, and these open up here, and it is also padded, which is nice, so it's definitely more comfortable. They don't squeeze your scalp. And the sound just is very crisp and clear. It has bass reflex technology. It's handmade. And Beyerdynamic started in 1924. They are also available in 32, 80, and of course this one 250 OHM. It is 295 grams without this cable. And it handles 100 milliwatts of power. The padding is gray right here, the velour ear padding. It's very comfortable actually. Very silky feeling, kind of like velvet. But the rest is black. If I'm going to be working on a project and I have to travel, I'll take them with me, but like I said, I don't wear them outdoors in the rain. They are expensive. I don't want them to get stolen, and just they're wonderful quality, so I want to keep them safe as much as possible. But they're very easy to use, very intuitive. You just plug it into your device and they work for a variety of them. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out this product.